Welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. Today I want to show you how to charge your battery on your GoPro Hero 8 with the normal camera and just the USB-C type cable. First of all, you have to insert your battery, which we do by pulling this tab down, opening the flap here, and you can remove the cover of the battery. Then you want to insert your battery as so. So basically, as you can see there, downwards all the way. And then you have a USB-C connector here, and you just want to grab a USB-C type cable, plug it into the camera, and that will start charging. As you can see here, there's a little red LED. There's also a little red LED here. And if you want it to charge faster, you might want to use a wall socket. I'm charging it from a computer right now. That would take a while, up to maybe 2 hours. But you could also get faster charging by using the GoPro supercharger, which is sold separately. I'll leave a link below if you want to, charge more batteries or charge them faster. So yeah, that's how you charge your battery on your GoPro Hero 8 if you only have a USB Type-C cable. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.